Hey everyone, in this video we will compare Cooper CRM, Pipedrive and Hubspot. Cooper CRM is designed to work closely with Google Workspace. It blends right into Gmail and Google Calendar, so it feels like part of your regular workflow. This makes it super easy to track emails, meetings and contacts without switching between apps. You can see your deals and tasks right inside Gmail, which saves time. It also automatically pulls info from your emails and fills in contact details for you. That means less manual data entry, which is a big help. Cooper is great for small to medium businesses, especially those already using Google tools. However, it lacks some advanced marketing tools and can feel too simple for large teams. And if your business isn't using Google Workspace, it may not be the best fit. Pipedrive is a CRM made for sales teams. It's all about helping you manage your pipeline and close deals faster. The layout is very visual, so you can drag and drop deals through different stages. It's easy to customize the stages, add notes, and set follow-up reminders. Pipedrive also offers helpful features like email tracking, sales reporting, and automation. It works well for small and growing sales teams who want something focused and simple to use. However, it's not strong in marketing tools and customer support feature. If you want a full CRM with email campaigns and customer service, you may need extra tools. Hubspot is an all-in-one CRM with features for sales, marketing, and support. It offers email marketing, website tracking, live chat, and even customer service tools in one platform. The free version has a lot to offer, and you can upgrade as your team grows. Hubspot is great if you want everything in one place and don't want to connect a bunch of apps. It also has powerful automation and reporting features. But as your needs grow, Hubspot can expansive, especially if you upgrade its higher plans. Some features are locked behind paid tiers, which can be a problem for smaller teams. If your business uses Google Workspace and wants a simple CRM, Cooper is a great fit. If you're focused on sales and want a visual, easy-to-use pipeline, go with Pipedrive. But if you want an all-in-one solution that handles marketing, sales, and support, Hubspot is the best pick. Just be ready for higher costs as you scale. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to see more content like this.